Good morning, ma'am. I'm Christine Castillo from Black U. Let's start. I'm Maria Leonor Lene Robredo, a Filipino lawyer and political who served as the 40th Vice President of Philippines from 2016 to 2022 and also previously served as the representative of 3rd District of Camarines Sur from 2013 to 2016. I spearheaded multiple programs in the Office of the Vice President. May flagship anti-poverty program, Angat Buhay or Let Uplifting Lives has helped address key areas including education, rural development, and also healthcare in partnership with more than 300 organizations. So, napakahalaga po ng debate, kagaya po ng sinabi ni Ping Lacson kanina, pagkakataong ito para marinig kahit sa sandali yung aming mga plano, pero more than marinig ang aming mga plano, level ang playing field, so magkakatabi kami. Ito ang pagkakataon ng taong bayan para suriin yung aming demeanor, makitang yung karakter. Pwedeng matanong kami tungkol sa aming track record. Yung number one ingredient din ng leadership, aside from character, is you show up in the most difficult times. Pag hindi ka mag-show up in the difficult times, hindi ka leader. So, kahit mahirap, kailangan nandyan ka, kaya mong harapin yung mga tanong tungkol sa'yo at kailangan kaya mong masagot kung anong issues laban sa'yo. Hindi ka magtatago. Kaya para sa akin, ito yung pagbibigay halaga at respeto sa taong bayan na maghalal sa'yo. Napakahalaga ng eleksyon na napakahalaga ng debate, pero bigyan mong oras, ibigay mo ang oras mo kasi yun ang nagpapakita mo or naipapakita mo ang respeto sa proseso. That's all. Thank you.